Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your country in Minichat on mobile. First, install Minichat and Turbo VPN from the Play Store. Then I will open Minichat so you can see my current location. As you can see, mine is set to Sri Lanka. Now close completely Minichat app. Then open Turbo VPN and connect to any location. Even a free saver works fine. Once it's connected, open Minichat again. Now you will see that your location has changed. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.